morning, my dear students. This is the part 8 of chapter 2 exponents. Today we shall start with the solution of homework of part 7. Question number 1 was express in standard form. Number 1 0.00000000837. To express it in standard form, the decimal has to be shifted 9 position from to the right. So the decimal will come after the digit 8. So I can write it as 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9. As the decimal has shifted to the right position, so the power of 10 is negative. Question number 2, 31860000000. I can write the number as 31860000000.0 because the value of 0 after the point has no value. So I can just give a point and write a 0 here. Now, to express the number in standard form, the decimal has to come 12 position forward, that means to the left, and so I can write it as 3.186 into 10 to the power 12. As the decimal has shifted from right to left, the power is positive. So 10 to the power positive 12. The answer will be 3.186 into 10 to the power 12. Question number 2, express in usual form. So the standard form of the number is given. I have to convert it to the normal form. Number 1, 3.62519 into 10 to the power minus 5. I can write this as 3.62519 divided by 1.00000 into 10 to the power minus 5. By using the laws of exponents, I can write it as 3.62519 divided by 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5, which is 10 to the power 10. 3.62519 divided by 10 to the power 10, which will give that the decimal will be before 10 digits of the number. So if I write it in a decimal form, it will be 0.000362519 in usual form. Question number 2, 3.2408 into 10 to the power 9, which I can write as 32408 divided by 10,000 into 10 to the power 9, which is equal to 32408 divided by 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 9. I can write it as 32408 into 10 to the power 9 minus 4, which will give 32408 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to 324080000. Question number 3, the thickness of a paper sheet is 0.0016 centimeter. Find the thickness of 10 sheets. It is very easy. Thickness of one sheet is 0.0016 centimeter. Therefore, thickness of 10 sheets will be 0.0016 centimeter into 10, which is 0.016 centimeter, which if I write in standard form will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter. Now let us start chapter 3, squares and square root. This is the part 1. I shall just start the topic, what is square, what is perfect square, and we shall discuss about it in our next class. What is a square? A square of a number is the product of the number with itself. That means if we select a number, suppose 12, if I multiply 12 with the number itself, that is 12, 12 into 12 will give 144. So 144 is square of 12. If we have a number 11, the square is 11 into 11 is 121. Square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25. Perfect square. When the exponent or the power of a natural number is 2, the number is obtained called a perfect square. If I write 1 equal to 1 into 1, that is 1 square equal to 1, so 1 is a perfect square. 4 is 2 into 2, that is 2 square. So 4 is also a perfect square. If I write 49, 49 is 7 into 7, that is 7 square. So 49 is also a perfect square. That is, if we express a natural number in the form of its square, then it is a perfect square. Now, to find whether a number is a perfect square or not, there are several steps. Step number 1, write the prime factorization of the given number. Step 2, group the prime factors in such a way that in each pair both factors are same. Step 3, if no factor is left over after grouping, the number is a perfect square. And step 4, if any factor or factors are left without grouping, then the number is not a perfect square. So here, question I have given, check whether the given numbers are perfect squares. Number 1 is 64 and number 2 is 8820. For solution question 164, I have to check if 64 is perfect square or not. I have done some rough work in the right side. 64, I have to find the prime factors. If I divide 64, I get 32. Again, if I divide 32 by 2, I get 16. If I divide 16 by 2, I get 8. If 8 is divided by 2, I get 4. If 4 is divided by 2, I get 2. If 2 is divided by 2, I get 1. So 64, I can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If I make pair of these numbers, so it will be 2 square into 2 square into 2 square, which is I can write as 2 into 2 into 2 whole to the power square, which is equal to 8 square. Therefore, we could express 64 as 8 square. So, if I can express any number in its square form, that is a perfect square. I have expressed 64 as 8 square. So, 64 is a perfect square. Question number 2, 8820. Again I am in the right hand side. I have some rough work. I am going to find the prime factors of 8820. If I go dividing by 2, I shall get 4410. Then again dividing by 2, 2205. If I divide 2205 by 3, I get 735. If I again divide 735 by 3, I get 245. Now 245 cannot be divided by 3. So I shall check the next prime number by which 245 can be divided or not. I shall check. If I divide by 5, I get 49. So next prime number 49 cannot be divided by 5. Next prime number is 7. If I divide 49 by 7, I get 7. Again dividing 7 by 7, I get 1. So 882920 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. If I make pair of same numbers, that is 2 into 2, I am making pair 2 square, 3 into 3 making pair 3 square, 7 into 7, 7 square. But 5 is left alone. 5 into 5 I didn't get. 5 is left alone. So we cannot make a group of 5. Therefore 8820 is not a perfect square. I have given homework from chapter 2 also. I hope it will clear your doubts. Question number 2 and 3 from chapter 2 and question number 1 from chapter 3, which I have begun today. Just check whether the numbers given are perfect square or not. So this is all for today. Have a good day.